You got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play.
Hey friends, hi girlies. We are officially leaving.
Hi friends, what up my homie?
Technical difficulties. Okay, so we are finally leaving. We are about to go pick up his siblings and we're gonna go to, so I forgot my phone in the house. So my love is getting it. We can't even get in the car without it, y'all. Hard work. For a month. What's about to be a month? Once October hit. Wow, I look so cute. I need to put on my lip gloss. I brought my liner though. The gloss that I use, where's it at? Fortune Cookie, always. Look, this one. Did you find it? Did you find it? Okay. Did you find it? Yes. So we can get in the car, y'all. I'm gonna put my bag in. Is there, ooh, hold on. Put my shoes. Shoes are gonna be like, I can do like 80. And then the fucking Gucci shoes, I can do, like, I bought them for $1,100. So
I ain't gonna get 11.
I know. So maybe like 5. Even it's hot. It's open. Oh my. Love, I turn it down. What you doing? Y'all, I need to start pre-ACing the car. I have to.
This don't go to 100?
Stop.
Oh wow.
Look at his arms are wet. It's
and I'm from here.
Crazy. Yeah.
I put lotion on, that's why. Mistake, Floridian mistake.
So he's already melting, y'all. Look at my face. I forgot to bring my setting powder. I mean my setting spray. Like I said I was. That's so sad. But I need to grab my tripod out the back so I can hook y'all up right here. Oh, my man gonna grab it. He's so sweet.
Oh. Ah! Ah, wow.
Boo.
I touched this. It's hot.
Wait. Say hello. Hi. We finally made it to the mall. It is 5:38. Where is it?
They don't have them here.
They don't have an express here?
No.
Oh my. So they have a SKIMS here, and so of course I'm going to SKIMS. And are we gonna get something? Yes. Games are here. Look at this dress. It's so pretty. I love it. Are we going this way? I really like that dress, y'all. I loved it. But the thing is, I could probably find it somewhere cheaper. Aritzia price, it said $188. Don't get me wrong, the dress is beautiful, but not $188, almost $200. $200 for a dress.
That kind of steep.
Look, y'all. Here's SKIMS. Look at this, first time in SKIMS. Look. Feel the quality. You see? Feel the quality. That's why SKIMS is so, like, it's breathable. You want to not feel tight on you. Even feel this. Feel this quality. Like it. Oh. I told him that they have men underwear. They have socks for men. Look, they have the bundle deal for men. It's amazing. He loves it. Look at him. Look. So cute. Yeah. I love this store. Love this store. I'm not gonna lie. If you are in, what area are we in? What is this mall called? It's called the Aventura Mall. If you need to come to the Aventura Mall, this is the mall that has the Skims. And if I had $1,000 just to spend, oh my. What you think? Yes or no?
A little lighter.
It's like a mixture between
No,
this one.
yeah.
What is that? We are lost. And it says that I need to be at my car. Hold on. We're looking at it now. 8 minutes until my car is done charging.
No,
and we are far from my car. So that means if you have a Tesla, that means if you do not unplug your car in 8 minutes, they're gonna start charging you $1 per minute. Yeah, so not me trying to run in front of this sign. Oh my. But yeah, we are officially walking there just so I can unplug my car, park, and then we're gonna literally come back inside.
Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on the scene, think you know you're
In a Tesla Highland right now. This is the updated Model 3. That's so this is the one. Look, let me flip it around and show you. But look how beautiful this is. Like the leather is so nice. All of this is so nice. The seats, let's see, deeper spaces. Ooh, yes, it's so comfortable, love.
Look,
yeah.
My feet doesn't even bump this.
So literally all I gotta do is just give them $3,000 to trade this in. There's a screen in the back, you said?
Here, I'll show you.
Show them, yeah.
I don't know how to turn the camera, but
there's a screen. Richard showing the screen.
yep.
But yeah, this one is so nice. I don't know the gear shifts. I don't like, but there's no gear shift here like the one I have.
Can you take off the...
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't know how. I literally don't know how. Why? Teslas are amazing. He's changing the lights right here. Oh my. And then imagine at nighttime, love. That's the one. That's the one that I'm gonna have always.
I would probably roll.
Just imagine.
This or this.
This is gonna be so cute. Do it like a bright green. Do this one. Look at that. That is beautiful. Yeah, this is the one that I'm gonna get for sure. We're getting Shake Shack. They have a new truffle burger. It's really good. And we're getting fries.
You want any extra on it?
With cheese on it. Ooh, and onions, yeah. I wanted
Just the cheese.
like truffle parmesan sauce.
So let's do
That
this.
sounds so good. Okay, that one. Wait, hold up. There it is.
She's gonna do a chicken
I got a strawberry donut shake, and then we got truffle fries with a truffle burger. And you got a pita shake, right? Yes. We are leaving. Gotta say bye. The mall is so beautiful, so nice. I would for sure come back. But yeah, it's a All that extra. Please. Anyways, we're leaving now. Love, you want to say
Hey,
bye?
let's walk on the sidewalk. It was an amazing time. Had so much fun.
Yes.
Beautiful
And now
mall.
we're
10
about
out
to
of
go
10.
home. About to go home.